In the new editing system of Google Photos, here's how you move and or resize an object. Edit, and it's an actions, and move. Then you'll select the item, circle or brush to select. I want to move this. Okay, there. Now it didn't get his feet, so I'm going to, no. Let me try that again. Actions, move, and I'm going to zoom in a bit here and try to get him. Still didn't get his feet, so I'm going to refine selection, zoom in, and get his feet. Her feet, sorry. This is Penny. Now I'm done selecting. Well, there's a little bit of her tail there. There we go. Okay, now I have Oliver done, and I can just click and hold and drag around. But I can also make her bigger and move. And it takes a minute. It's doing its magic. Although it's no longer called Magic Editor, that's where this feature first existed, was in the Magic Editor. Looks like her foot is still a bit of a problem. If I was doing this for real, I might want to redo it. But then you would just tap the check mark and save a copy. So your original is still there, but now you have one that looks different.